Vukile, we thanking the Lord for His grace. Okay. As in, like, you know, like our dance teacher. But he was feeling it. He was feeling it, starting to vibe and getting to it. Yeah, we were vibing. The whole gang came in, much joy, and they were like, yo, you know the. Yeah, as I was about to enter and I made it real, I had to spit the verse and make me feel like I was talking about them. Yeah. Hawu tuku goof. Sesikontirini now we shooting amabhasi ayandlula. Uyazi abogogo baseLimpopo baneking. Since you know, because Bafana Basekasi and support is all over. That's why I'm sending shout outs to the 0449, the places I'm always booming in. So boy Joe is. Yeah, I love it. This is really I'm a person to traditional beer. Yeah guys, the shoot was nice. The shoot was very dope. The actual video is coming out very soon. Please just stay tuned. Please stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I would love to have